Hey everyone, it's Joanne. You got to take a look at this beautiful galvanized metal pitcher. It is giving this space a total vintage charm, and I'm obsessed with the look. I love the farmhouse rustic vibe on my back porch and found these adorable ceramic flowers to put in it. You can put anything in there. I think the combination is amazing and it really makes a great statement. I wanted casual but chic, and this is exactly what I was hoping for. It's not really intended for direct use with water, but you could add a waterproof liner and use it for fresh flowers too if you wanted to. This is really a timeless, weathered finish that has a vintage style. It stands about 14 inches tall. It would work beautifully on a mantle, countertop, or even a statement piece in the entryway. This makes a super cute gift as well, maybe for a housewarming, bridal shower, or any occasion. It's one of those pieces that's a timeless item and works in so many spaces. I love it.